Hey, so excited about this video. Why? Because look at everything we've already accomplished. All we need is to do is memorize our multiplication facts of the 12s. But guess what? There's only one. We only have to memorize 12 times 12. You already done 12 times 0, it's 0 times 12. You've already done 12 times 1, it's 1 times 12. You've already done 12 times 2, it's 2 times 12. That's why it's really important that you watch the videos in the order that I have them here, okay? Don't try to skip around. The videos won't work that way, okay? It's not going to help you out. If anything, it'll just confuse you more, okay? Just do it this way. Believe me, it's going to help you out tremendously, okay? So for this one, all we have to do is memorize 12 times 12. And like always, me being old school, we are writing it down 20 times, okay? From here, as you write it, you say it out loud, and that way you can also hear yourself, or you can hear the multiplication fact of the 12. So it's 12 times 12 equals 144. 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 Do that 20 times. Do not do 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, times, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, equals, 144, 144, 144. You're not going to help yourself out. You're not really memorizing anything. You're not. All you're doing is wasting time, wasting pencil lead, wasting paper. That's all. 12 times 12 equals 144. Do that. That's the only one we have to do. From there, now we get to play. Remember, say it first before I do. Okay? Always try to beat me. Also, if you get them wrong, keep track of the numbers you're getting wrong. If you miss 12 times 6 one time, but you get the other ones correct, that's okay. You know it. But if you miss 12 times 6, 2, 3 times, you really don't know it. You don't write it down 12 times. Okay? So, without further ado, let's get started on this. Ready? 12 times 12, 144. Memorize it. Wow, right off the bat, we started off with the only one we had to memorize. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 11, 132. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 12, 144. Memorize it. 12 times 1, 12. 1, it's the other number. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 12, 144. Memorize it. 12 times 5, 60. It's the clock. Go up to the 12, 60 minutes. 12 times 10, 120. 12 with a 0. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 11, 132. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 10, 12 with a 0, 120. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 12, 144. Memorize it. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 2, 24. 12 plus 12. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 10, 120. 12 with a 0. 12 times 2, 24. 12 plus 12. 12 times 9, 108. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 9, 108. 12 times 1, 12. 1, it's the other number. 12 times 11, 132. 12 times 12, 144. Memorize it. 12 times 10, 120. 12 with a 0. 12 times 8, 96. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 5, 60. Remember, it's the clock. Slide your finger up to the 12, 60 minutes. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 9, 108. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 5, 60. The clock. Slide it to the 12, 60 minutes. 12 times 1, 12. 1, it's the other number. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 11, 132. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 9, 108. 12 times 8, 96. And that is it. Okay? Hopefully, this has helped you out on memorizing all of these multiplication facts. Okay? Now, before I scratch out the last one, remember, things I want to go over real quick. Okay? On this, 12 times 0. Remember, 0, it's always 0. 12 times 1, it's always the other number. 12 times 2, we said that was 12 plus 12, 24. You learned the doubles in second grade here in Texas. 12 times 3, 12 times, 12 times 10. I said it's the other number with the 0 at the end. So it's 120. 12 times 5. Think about a clock. Now, when I say think about a clock, this is what I mean. Okay? Put your finger here, slide it up, 60 minutes. So 12 times 5 is 60, or 5 times 12 equals 60. Okay? This is really important for the 5 times tables. Helps you out a lot. So, think about a clock. This is 60 right there. Okay? And then from there, all the other ones we just had to memorize. But these are a little few tricks that you get to know. The other ones you just had to memorize as we went along. Okay? So, having said that, dun, 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 yes, we are finished. Now, something else before I even go on, or before we close out. This is actually a game that I like to play, or I like my students to play, my kids to play. This helped them out a whole lot. They play war. They get half, one gets half, the other one gets half. From here, okay, you flip it over. 54. Whoever says it first gets it. Okay? If it's a tie, it stays in the middle. Flip again. 36. If this person wins, they get these. Flip. 36. Okay? 77. If it's a tie, it goes in the middle. This game, War, this is the one that really, truly helps you memorize these multiplication facts in different orders and whatnot. You can play War with somebody. Okay, let's say you are learning your 8 times tables, okay? So you put the 8 there, somebody gets 1, and then you take turns. You go half, okay? Whoever says it first, they keep it. And then just take turns. You see that? Take turns flipping. And then whoever says it first, 72, they get to keep it. Oops. 40. See that? That's how you can also play War, just by one person. Okay? Hopefully that helps out. After that, okay, continue to practice your multiplication facts. You'll do great. I know you will. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.